Hello everyone, welcome to the Yarn Bowl. Today in this video we are going to see how to crochet this rustic mugrugs, which are very simple and easy to make, and it makes a perfect gift idea when you visit someone or even a housewarming gift. Come on, let's see how to crochet this beautiful mugrugs. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So these mugrugs I've made with 100% cotton yarn, and I just used half double crochet stitches to crochet this mugrugs, and it makes a wonderful and easy project. So come on, let's see how to crochet this beautiful mugrugs. So for this project I'm using a peaches and cream yarn, which is 100% cotton yarn. So, and then I will need my 3.5 millimeter crochet hook and some tags to go with it, and a tapestry needle, a scissor, and a brush. I'll tell you why we need this brush when you finish off this project. So starting row 1, I would work a chain 17 plus 2, which is altogether 19 chains. So once I'm done with 17 chains, I go ahead work 2 more chains. And this 2 more chains is considered as my first half double crochet, and then I work 1 half double crochet on the 4th chain from the hook, which means the 2 chains lies on top of the 3rd chain. The first half double crochet lies on top of the 3rd chain, and then I work 1 half double crochet on each chain till the end. So at the end of this row I will have 17 half double crochet stitches. So once I'm done with row 1, I will go ahead and proceed with row 2. For row 2, I'm going to chain 2, which is considered as my first half double crochet. And then once I'm done with this chain 2, I'm going to crochet 1 more chain, which is considered as my first chain 1 space. And then I'm going to skip 1 stitch and going to work 1 half double crochet on the next stitch. So I'm going to pretty much repeat this pattern till the end, which is skipping 1 stitch and then working 1 half double crochet on the next stitch till the end. So at the end of this row I will have 9 half double crochet stitches with 1 chain spaces in between. So now I'm done with row 2. I'm going to proceed with row 3, which is I will proceed with chain 2, which is considered as my first half double crochet, and then I'm going to work one half double crochet on the chain 1 space of the previous row, and then I will go work one half double crochet on the half double crochet stitch of the previous row. So I'm going to repeat this till the end, and then my row 3 would be complete, and at the end of row 3 I will have 17 half double crochet stitches. And from now on I'm just going to repeat my row 2 and row 3. For row 4 until I reach row 13, I'm just going to repeat or alternate between row 2 and row 3. So for row 4 I'm just going to follow row 2, which is I work a chain 2 plus 1 and then skip one stitch and one half double crochet on the next stitch. And then for row 5 I'm gonna copy row 3, which would be chain 2 and one half double crochet in the chain 1 space and one half double crochet in the half double crochet of the previous row. So keep alternating between row 2 and row 3 until you reach row number 13. So now I am done with my row number 13. I fasten off and then work a slip stitch and then tighten your ends, and then I have around 10 strips of yarn, roughly about 14 to 15 centimeter cut, and then I'm gonna work creating tassels. I will work 5 tassels on each side equally spaced. So work tassels like as I do on your crochet swatch that you did. So this will create a rug kind of effect, or it will give a look of a rug. So work like this. So once you've tied in all your tassels, I'm just gonna snip it off equally like this. So once you snipped off your ends, I'm just gonna gently brush on the tassels, so which will make the yarn really look like a tassel. So brush them off on both sides. Now our mugrug is ready. I'm just gonna add a little handmade tag to it, which will give a very nice and neat look to it. So I use a tapestry needle to add a tag to my mugrug. So here it is, the mugrug is ready. I've made a couple of more with the same pattern. It's a wonderful gifting idea. If you visit a housewarming ceremony of somebody, or even if you visit someone's house, it's a very cute gift to take, or you can even gift this mugrug to someone in your workplace. So I hope you enjoyed making this rustic mugrug with me. Try this at home and let me know your comments below. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.